Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert. In the last video we had a couple fails, but we did eventually accomplish 2 missions. I was trying to get 2 with 1 stone, testing the SRB, the hammer one, and also being below 17,000 meters, over close to that island runway over there. And yeah, I accidentally killed Jeb once. I reverted that one. So now I'm trying to figure out how to get to the Mun, and I might be able to get there, but I kind of want to... I mean, it's just bugging me. I don't have enough science. So what I want to do, and if I recall from the... I played this game back in like 0.9, and I found... come on. Science from around Kerbal. Right? I want to get a satellite into space and just get some... I think the thermometer and whatnot can be reused. And just put that stuff up there so that I can keep getting some science. So I'm basically going to build a satellite and try to launch it, get it into LKO, and that'll at least get me something going in future science. So I also want to see, is there one more thing? Focused. That's at a specific altitude. Test. Alright, so I'm not going to do any of these. So I'm going to just do the one. Now I had the one rocket that got me into orbit. It was Cluster 1. Cluster 1, let's load this guy. This got me into orbit before. I don't know if this thing is multiple use. Let's see, does it tell me? Rerunnable, no. Rerunnable, yes. Yes. I have no idea what that does. Not rerunnable. So I'm going to go with these two. Alright, I'm going to try ditching this because I think I now have Smarty Pants thing. Alright. So I'm going to pop this up here. Okay. And my payload can be significantly smaller without this thing that does basically nothing for me. Ditch this. Okay. So now what am I going to use for the satellite? Ooh, do I not have any... I don't think I have solar yet. I've just got some batteries. Alright. So I'm definitely going to need some batteries. I'm going to need some sort of structure to attach stuff. And I'm going to go this way, I guess. Pop on some of these guys. Find the science, grab some temperature, pop those on so I can find it wherever it is. And let's see, what else do I need? I probably need more batteries. I can just leave this as space debris and grab it later, I guess. So it's going to be something like this. This is probably lighter than it used to be. I'm hopeful. And let's see, then we got the final... Alright, I need that antenna. I mean, what's the... Electrical charge, 20 per second, 20 per second. 50, whoa, no. Let's see. 0.005, 0.15. So why is this one better? Antenna rating 500K, 500. L1 DSN. Packet size. I don't understand the difference. Versatile. Suitable. Okay. I mean... Where should I put this to give it the best chance of survivability? Go this route, so I've got 2 of them in case it needs to be facing the planet. I don't know. And, yeah, I think I need more batteries. I don't have any solar. Is there any way to get this power? I mean, I'm just seeing batteries. If I give it a small rocket engine... I can run that rocket engine up from time to time. So maybe I leave all of this more or less in orbit. So we got a service bay, heat-resistant service bay, protecting delicate instruments. 0.1 tons. I mean, I kind of think this will survive. Do I have any fairings? How do we get into fairings? Can I? No? Oh well. Let's see. Fuel tanks. I'm gonna just kind of assume that this will get me into space like I got before. That's not gonna help me with power. That's all I got. And this isn't coming back, so... Okay, I'm gonna see if I can't make this happen. Hopefully this is enough battery to accomplish a few things. What's this? Is this supposed to be red? Parts 34 out of 30, oh my gosh. Okay, what can I really do? Because I want it to be convenient when I'm doing that. I can ditch. Grab this, grab this. Okay, that'll help. 33. I still don't know if I need to be facing the planet with the antenna. So I guess I ditch these and just go for this. You know, that's about as best as I think I can come up with. And so, is this heavier? So this is 0.84, 0.05. Why do I swore that this got me to LKO? Maybe this is just the delta V I have, assuming that I'm right at the ground. Okay, that's probably it. So this should be able to get me up there. Oh baby, what if I get rid of some of these tanks? Okay. So let's just keep this much and ditch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ditch all these fuel tanks. One of these. One of these. Batteries. Alright. 4 batteries, 4 more batteries, and I should have a ton of delta V here. Is there anything else I can really... I mean, I've got 2 of these. You know, I kind of think I'm just close enough. So this is what I'm going to go with. I have no idea if this has stability assist or anything. But this is what I'm going to go for. So cluster 1, satellite, hope I'm spelling that right. Save that. Okay. Mark 2. I think we're ready. I've got my mission accepted. Transmit or recover scientific data from space around Kerbal. I've already done that. But we're going to go for it. Check my staging. Alright, first engine. Separate. Next engine. Separate. Next engine. We're go. So hopefully by having this in space, I'll be able to consistently get data from space. I have no idea if this has enough reaction wheel to really steer me at all. I guess we're about to find out. I'm full right pitch and it's doing nothing. Am I going to destroy my launch pad? I don't think I have enough money to repair this if I can't turn it all. I guess we'll see what happens. Oh boy. Do I have any... No stability assist. Okay. So I'm going to be fighting this up. I want to watch the ground and see where that hits. Very efficient burn, as you can see. That looked okay. Oh, I shouldn't have been looking. This is insane. Alright. Well, I think I'll have a little bit of orbital inclination, but I'll just pretend I meant to do that. How am I so unstable? Okay. Just turn. Well, I hope I have enough delta V to make up for this. Alright, ooh, I'm going at 90 degrees. Come on, baby, come on. Full right, nothing. There we go, there we go. I just think there's no way that this is gonna... How did the other one just must have had reaction wheels and this one has no reaction wheels? Or something. I mean, this was just really tough. Alright, what do we got? I mean, that's reasonably good, but then I dropped this off. Maybe I just need more fins to keep this upper stage stable. So I'll go with 3 of these. Ditch these for the bigger ones. Center of pressure is ahead of me, so I guess I have to waste some of these and... Okay. This looks dumb. Am I over parts? Oh my gosh. Okay. What do I do? Ditch these ones and try to fight it on the way up. I'm over by 2. Okay. What do we got? So this is 2 little fuel tanks. Is this another fuel tank? What's this thing? Okay, that's a fuel tank. That's a fuel tank. So I could ditch this and get 1 big fuel tank. Okay. I mean, I just kind of think I need this to keep me a little bit stable. Maybe I can do it where I'm high enough that that doesn't matter. Where's my separators? So I got that one, and then the engine, and then that one, and then that engine. So if I have the big fins right before here. Why is this going so crazy? What is up with this? Am I missing something? Okay. Oh boy. I'm gonna hope this is enough. Save it again, fly it again. So this time, once again, I could have the same problem where I am going to be dropping an SRB, but I'm just going to go for it. So full throttle, I'm holding on the D key, not that it probably matters. And here we go. Are those actual craters from stuff I've done? I'm not sure. I'm actually turning backwards a bit. That's not quite what I wanted. Whatever. Now it's almost too stable. so this one's going much better. Oh boy, don't speak too soon. Okay, I think I'm doing okay. I don't want to jinx it. I hope that was good. Alright, so I'm heading pretty good east. Alright, I'm getting to... Alright, what have I got? 41 thou. Oh, crap. Okay, I'm just watching this. I wish I had someone that could... Okay, 47. I don't want to get too far from there. What am I at? What am I? Oh, come on. 60,000. No, 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 no. I'll pretend I did that to get me more easterly heading. Okay. Alright, I've still got my antennas. I'm pretty high in the atmosphere. Full electric charge, so it's only probably using that antenna when I'm transmitting data or something. I hope there's a way to do a spacewalk later and attach a solar panel to this, but... Alright, I guess I'm going to time warp up. In space. Why did I do that? So I gave it a little throttle so that I have some control authority here. Okay. And then I've got to circularize before long. Might as well start now. Try to save a bit of fuel. So that I can run up the engines in the future if I need to. Alright, we are in orbit. Whew, okay, so now I can get out of map view and take a temperature reading, and let's see what my battery... So we're at 802. I don't know what used it. Is it the gimbals? So I'm moving the gimbals and nothing's happening. So anyway, I'm going to do a temperature reading. Transmit it. Did I get it? Got it. Alright, and then what's my battery? 753. Ouch. So SAS is not on. So let's see here. That took, let's call that 50. So I can do, what, 16? Like maybe 10 to 15 more transmissions or something like that. It might depend on my altitude and other things. I don't know. But... Alright. Mission accomplished. We managed to get some data, some science data transmitted. Go back to the Space Center, and we'll see what I... Did I get anything for that? I hope so. 36 science, yay. Is it going to at least acknowledge somewhere that I did this and got paid for it? Conduct a focus. That's not it. I got 2 whole science out of that. Okay. All right. Well, we at least accomplished that mission. Hopefully now I can get more missions done, and hopefully I can find a way to actually get some science out of this over time, like being over different biomes. And but I don't quite think the game works that way. I don't think they care about temperature measurements over different places. 0 science. Temperature scan while in space near Kerbal. Yeah, I'll keep it. I don't care. So yeah, I might not actually get much science out of this. I might have just spent quite a bit of money for little to no return. I guess we'll find out later. But we're going to keep trekking towards the moon. I've now got the radial decouplers, so maybe that's just what I need to do is start heading to the moon. But I just don't have a ton of science yet. And I'm hoping to, you know, this could be useful. It's going to be really hard to get to the moon with my parts limit count. It's going to be actually next to impossible. I might have to just land. How much Delta V do I have left in this guy? I might be able to land a little piece of junk like this up there. Just land it on its side. I've got 2,000 Delta V. So that's what I might do. I might have to land some little lander up on the Mun at first and hopefully get some money in science, because right now I just don't have a ton of resources. But we're going to keep trekking towards the moon. This is Keith from Kinvert, and we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.